Hey, my traveling family, welcome to another traveling vlog. Today's video, my people, begins at Portmore, Keystone here. So my people, I'm gonna be encouraging you to journey along with Ever Blessed Travelers as I go. Interesting things ahead. Stay tuned and watch what go on. That is. So my people, this is the Hangway Mall. And as I promised my people, I'm gonna give you my location. This vlog location is the Hellshire Heights. I'm gonna encourage my people to journey along with me. But should in case you don't know the way to Hellshire, I'm gonna give you bits and pieces of the journey to Hellshire. So now we are headed to the direction of Hellshire in that way. So come along my people as we go. And I'm gonna be asking of you my people to keep the comment section busy and to tell me, run across the road from lock your down. When the adventures are out in the number, they're selling their wares. They're going to stay tuned and watch how we're going to take on the road today to Hellshire. So as I make promise my people, remember now, I'm not going to give you the whole journey. I'll be giving you bits and pieces of the journey to Hellshire and my people. In today's vlog, I will be welcoming my guest, and my guest is from Haiti. My guest is a Haitian, and I want to get his first. This is his first experience at Hellshire. I never blesses want to get his input as to what his first impression on Jamaica cooking. So stay tuned for that. When I reach the location, I'll show him to you, my people. I'm gonna be asking of you, my people, to show him some love. Yeah, man. His name. Let me keep the name for a while until I introduce it to him, my people. Please, I want you guys to help me welcome him. So, in that area, my people, in the camera, is a new development. They're building a new development, my people. So, for all the persons that are checking out for housing, you can check out the location there and see if you have any luck. I'm buying one of those houses. Can you see them, my people? Houses are going to pass. You check out under them on there, the new development. Don't say the name of the place I could tell you. I want to fight it. I was thinking that this sign would be the sign for there, but it is not. So Ever Blessed Travels, welcome. So today's vlog, my people, is today date is the 26th of March. Yesterday, 25th, I celebrated my birthday, and Ever Blessed is gonna shout out a couple of persons that celebrated with me yesterday. And the first set of names that I'll be calling, they are YouTubers. And I'm going to be asking of you, my people, to take a note of the names that I'll be calling. And I'm going to be asking of you, my people, to give them these persons your full support. AI Roots and Remedies. I'm going to be asking of you, my people, to give them your full support. AI Roots and Remedies is my manager. So I'm going to ask of you, my people, to give your full support. I am _Rupert. Thank you so much, sir, for 1 year and 4 months of your support. Thank you so much, sir. I'm going to be asking a few more people to give who is, and I am underscore Rupert, full support. Who is Harvey? Marsha Bless. Take the time, my people. Make you get the time for write that down. Nick Will Travels. Hey. Kirky Outdoor Living. Jam Houston's. Adventures. Check out them, my people. They are YouTubers and they really need your support. Yeah, man. Tubby Lifestyle. Please check out my young YouTuber, my people. He's just 16 years old and I'm gonna ask you to give him your full support. That is it. So my people, as the list goes on, you see, let me pull over here and see if we can. So my people, so as we journey along, those are some of. Remember, no more people, I said no some, because there's thousands of YouTubers that support Everblessed Travels, and I'm not going to be able to name out all of them. Extreme Fishers, big up yourself. Jamaica Shore Fishing, big up yourself. Boom family, you're not tired of hearing me big up? No, me not big up Boom today. Jesus peace, in name call already. Big up yourself, Boom. Jamaica Walk By, big up yourself, my brother. Yeah, man, that's how you think come down. Cameron family. Oi, the people list long. I know that the names that I don't call in this vlog, you won't come from me. So welcome to Hellshire. That is it. Welcome to Port Clarence. Now we're going that way. To Hellshire. Welcome to Hellshire. St. Catherine. Hellshire Beach, St. Catherine. Welcome. That is it, my people. They're making a security house right there. They're doing it harder. And my people, revealing to you that Hellshire Beach is one of Jamaica's most recognized fishing village, where they specialize in fish, lobster. Why you don't fry fish today? Not today, my brother. We're vlogging today. Some of people see they're ready to greet you. So as you enter, person is making themselves known to you. So this is Hellshire Beach, my people. And as I said before, they specialize in food, fry fish, lobster. In lobster, you know, lobster and fish in every design that you can think of, my people. So I'm gonna ask a few of my people to check them out. And Everblessed, I go eat a fish and a festival today. And I'll be telling you how I feel about. Big up yourself, my G. Big up yourself. Let me see if I can get a park nice and easy when I'm in one way. Alright. I want to go one bit. So without any. In the life of Gail Blake. Big up yourself, my sister. My people, please to give the channels, the names that I just called. They are YouTubers. I'm asking a few of my people to give them your full support. And Everblessed is gonna take you that way, where I'll be linking up with my guests there. See you then. That's Brenda's right here, my people. Yeah, man. We don't intend to leave out no one of the people to showing there. But I have my direct spot that I'll be going. Some of the people stay tuned. The entrepreneurs are here. The coconut. Walk. Fishing. Family place. I'm just saying, your family, the Everblessed Travels. People are walking too. I'm sure. Welcome to Hellshire, my people. Yeah, man, that's the thing comes that's right. I'm walking too. I mean, Rasta. Ever blessed travelers is back. We showcasing the place. This I future this place already, my people, but you can't too much. Rasta. Big up yourself, heart of love. Yeah. Eh? Yeah, man, we do that, man. We do that, man. So my people say to walking through this beauty here, my people. So my people will continue to walk around, showing you the beauty of Hellshire. I have a peak tower there. Yeah. So walking through. Ocean and sure. So I'm looking for my guests to introduce the people. As soon as I see her, I'll do so. Yeah, there he is. My people, I've seen my guest here, and I'm gonna be introduce you to him. So it's the first time here he's gonna be in Hellshire, and he's right there. That's my guy here. Who is Herbie?
Who is Herbie, my brother?
Welcome again, my brother.
Yes, sir.
So my people, for the second time,
For the second
who is
time.
Herbie is in my camera and my people.
This time on the beach.
On the beach here in Hellshire.
Son,
My brother,
good vibe.
what's
I
your,
like
give me your first impression because that's what I had. You love it here.
I love it here.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yes.
This is as local as it gets.
Yes.
All right, all the locals are here. I've already walked around.
Yes.
And everybody. I'm actually getting some food right now.
Oh.
Yeah, I know.
No.
So, but it's all right.
Yeah.
I just put it in.
Okay.
So they didn't even give it to us yet.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
So we'll go in.
So some people.
Yeah, man.
This is the ocean that we presented to you today. This is Ever Blessed. And that is Who is Herbie.
Who is Herbie.
My people, give Who is Herbie your full support. My people, I'm not asking a question. That's the man's name. And this tall guy here is all the way from, he originated in Haiti.
From Haiti, yeah.
So you are fully Haitian. And you're living where?
In the U.S. I live in Connecticut.
Right.
Yes, sir.
And my people, who is Herbie? Travel to Jamaica to link up with Ever Blessed Travels. Straight!
The Haitian explorer.
Oh, you
Right here in
mean?
Jamaica.
Yes, so my people. Give him some love, my people. Give him some love.
Yes,
Show him some
please
love.
do. Please
Show him
do.
some love, my people. Show him some love.
Show me some love, guys.
This big guy here needs some
Absolutely.
love here in Jamaica.
Absolutely.
And around the world. So wherever you're watching Ever Blessed Travels from, I'm going to be asking if you my people from a traveler to a traveler, give him some support. You know, see me licking my people. I train big, he can't take lick. So we're walking through.
All right.
Oh, it's a pleasure to have you here, my brother.
Absolutely.
I always get excited when I. So let me. We're exploring Hellshire, as I said, and this is Texas Seafood and Bar, and the chef are cooking away inside there. So them people are here having fun, but we'll be. I wonder what my shoes are full of sand today because I should have on a slipper. So I'm gonna show you my people what is left of the beach here in Hellshire. I'm gonna also say to you that this is not how it used to look. This area used to be a flat nice area. And if you can see way over there, my people, where those people are, that's where you used to walk. And you used to go all the way across to there. Freely. So you used to have horseback riding.
Yeah. Well, I saw a horse here earlier. I think it's
they don't have much place to walk with those horses. So you used to go right across there, and see what happened now? The ocean is taken away. So you see all these buildings that used to catch up there, it never used to be like this. Those were where the building used to be originally. You see? So that's right. So see the birds there? Those birds. Them birds are teeth on the people. See, they rob off the fish here. They take them on cruiser when they go over. They dive down. Let's take a walk that way, my brother. So we're walking through Hellshire. As I said, my people, this here is where they specialize in seafood, steamed fish, lobster, whatever your heart desire, it is here. And my
We're here a little early today, yeah?
yes,
I'm
because
guessing it's more
vibes here
vibes when
after
it gets
two,
later
but
after
yes,
two, yeah.
yes, got
Okay.
on, yes. I think I did suggest that to you too.
You did suggest that,
Yeah,
but I
but-
just wanted to get the day started.
Yes,
And so, you
Some
live
people-
here.
Yeah.
I'm only here for a short time.
Right,
So
right.
I'm trying to get everything in.
Yes. So some people were walking to my people with who is Harvey? You hear me say I know how to ask a question, that's my name.
Oh, God.
So
This is a lovely spot. I am so happy
yes.
I come and check this place out.
Yes.
This is quite nice.
Yes, very nice.
This is quite nice.
So that's how it can come down with people.
Where's the spot? Which one is the spot that you want?
Ocean View.
Ocean.
Yes, we went to Ocean View. Ocean View had a vibe. They have this high up here. But they have the music now. We are sure of Hellshire in St. Catherine here, my people. And Ocean View. Some of the main people you have to check out, my people, when you come to this area. Ever Blessed will be.
Ocean View Restaurant.
Yeah, Ever Blessed will be biting into a festival today for you, my people, to see. Oh, my people, this is. We are at Prentice. Yeah. And the ocean is creating all sort of problem here. You know this what it does. So that's where we get all our fish. Out there in the ocean. Way over there, my people, is Hellshire Heights. Way in the distance is Hellshire Heights.
Yeah. Never glad to see it around. At home.
Welcome.
Spot. They all sell different food. Right?
So this is another one of people that is under construction. So you can see they're setting up a platform where people will be sitting in this area until while they're having their meal, they're looking out on the ocean there. So maybe my people are just showcasing some of the shops that you need to check out. And who is early? He's enjoying his walk here.
Nice place.
Yes, another nice place. Yes. So everyone is trying to.
They're still setting up.
Yes. And if you take a look on these tables. This guy has taste. You see, these tables is easily maintained. Smart move, you know? Smart move. Oh, walking through. And you said our house is a bit early, my bro?
Yes.
So it's like 2 o'clock the vibe pick up hot and yeah. Yes. I'm just hoping that we'll be around until then. Some people. This is one of my recommended store for you to shop. This time of the day is very early. So about 2-3 o'clock then when the vibe pick up. Whole heap of traffic inside of this area. Yeah man, welcome to Hope One Stop. Yeah, one shop. One stop. Hope One Stop. Some people were walking through. Continue to show you beauty of this place. This is walking through Hellshire. The wind is not. It's a lot of wind here. It's very windy. So who is Herbie is learning how to catch a fish. Some that's the life of the YouTube. So that guy just show his net how his line out, and we are waiting patiently to see what he catch on it. So I am on the upstairs of Romans Bar and Grill, and we yeah, what is that? You really not that me catch something? No, not catch. No. My fake, my fake. My people, so stay tuned and watch what go. We're watching to see. See, that's natural. It's a fly. See, can't see that one, my people. Those are. I find that I know the kids are fish. And see, we have people in the ocean over there. Support my people. Stay tuned and watch what go. Some of people. I'm having a red stripe here, cooling on right here. And this beautiful spot here in the ocean. My people, stay tuned. Watch around people in the ocean. Big island too. Yeah, man, we'll show you now. This beautiful place here. Yeah, man. It's on the upstairs.
I want my life to be like here and I go.
And the ocean is there. Get you. No fish yet? No fish?
We got one.
You got one since?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
I told him if he got one, I would take it.
Oh.
Can you hear me?
Yeah? Yeah. Repeat that.
Yeah.
Okay. So who is already recording? Say hi. Some of people, that's a fisher. That's that's a youngster that is fishing right there. They are young entrepreneurs. We call them young entrepreneurs, right? so what was the experience like down there?
It was lovely, man. So he promised me he would get one.
Yeah?
And he can't.
Yes, I did.
And then he said, if you're gonna film me, you gotta pay.
They are young and
So-
know how to get everything on.
So we settled on 200.
Yes.
And I paid them, and I gave them 5, and they can split it.
Yeah.
Wherever they want.
Yes.
But it was great.
Yes.
It's quick.
Yes.
Less than 5 minutes.
No.
You got 2 fish.
It's a lucky time.
Yeah. I don't know if it's luck. I think it's skills.
Yes.
Yeah. But he's good.
I didn't know they do fishing right here.
Yeah.
So you get your first experience on camera with catching a fish?
Absolutely.
Right. And the wind in this area is nice! Some of people. Yeah, with 2 years out, we start to get this first experience here as to how they catch a fish.
Yes.
And people, you can pay the youngsters to see how they catch fish. I'm another person for the first time.
Yeah.
I wish we had time for the ocean to see the fish. Like, really in underneath the net and Captain family was wanting what I wanted was to take this out, but it was a time. It not happen. So I think on the next time, I'm just going to that already. When you go there, and then you are reading the net.
Absolutely.
I catch those fishes and then after we catch them, go up here on the stage, it don't happen. Don't fight it. Don't fight it, my people. Subscribe to our channel. Birds are there, flying around. Flying around. We're enjoying ourselves here. Get this boat. Some of people, this way. The big one's place. Can cool out. This place is well recommended by Everblessed Travels for you to cool up. But people see up there, so I go up there, so I ask the water for the place. If them can rent it, then we can carry one bed come put up there. You don't need no AC when you're up there, some of people. So, at the perfect place, you come and eat the picture. When you know how to eat in this, I advise you, no. How do you make them put it in the front, make them come up on the upstairs. Some of people, listen, they have to put all this gambling there. Oh, some people, see? Right on it. But that's the boat that come in with. The boat comes in with they're coming from the deeper people. And this is what. Yeah. So you wanna buy fish now, you go around there and get the fish. Some of people fresh fish I come on the boat, them people. That's why I think so. That's why I think so. You see them people with there. I chef that to the place. Then they remorse. And we're walking on this step here. The beautiful spot. Just open that places. You know? Some of people. Stay tuned and watch how we are showing you them kitchen. Some people. Remarks. Bar and lunch. Yeah, man. Some people. We're gonna be showing you. I'll be showing you how the Friday festival. A quick one. And the chef is frying.
Yes, you get the dough.
You'll get the dough ready?
Yeah.
Yes.
Keep a flour here for this, make sure they're not stick.
Okay. Yeah.
Make sure they're not stick.
This fire, this is a Friday?
Yeah.
And it's going to some people. So stay tuned. If you win oil hot, festival I go fry. Some people feel the beauty of the kitchen. Some people say clean environment. So why not? Why not? Remarks. See what? So I think up to sun is back here. And they're gonna be frying some nice festival for Everbless channel. And Everbless is gonna be heating festival. So stay tuned, my people, for the bite. Enjoy.
That's it, right?
Yeah. So how long when you do the dough, how long you do them for? How long you mix it and make it stay for 3 feet well set?
Once it makes it, there. While you mix it, by 15 minutes time,
It well set.
set there.
Okay.
After you need the right way,
Yes.
once you need it right.
So like for instance, you mix this amount. Can you have this amount? For instance, you mix a lot of it. You can keep it for the whole day before and you fry right through the day. No, you can because you keep on use the dry.
Once you do that, this is free in the fridge.
Oh.
Keep cool and hot.
Okay. So you just do you look flour for this?
Yes, so let's take out more for you.
Okay. Well said.
For your hand, yes.
Well said.
For your hand,
You see,
You get the job and you get
some people.
festivals, yeah?
At this fire. Yeah, man, you can, some people. Who is there? We couldn't bear if you know, say me alone there. I go hit festival, he can join me. So, who is Herbie is experiencing the Friday festival.
Making some festivals.
Yes.
Nice.
Some people stay tuned. They go buy festival. And they go buy 2 I have a 10 of them.
Well, you ordered 10.
Yeah, you want festival too?
I'll take one.
Okay.
Yeah, because I've had already 8.
So make it 11. Make it 12 festival, G. Some people are 12 of them, Everbless don't play with food. Because,
Festivals.
yeah. So we're moving along until the festival starts. Okay. That is it, my people. Festival is fine. So you line them other people?
I'm just going to get a shot with Bill trying the festivals. You can see. There we go. Alright, so let him do his thing.
So you line them other people? So then line them other people. That is it. So I notice when you put them in, then lay down first, and then jump up.
Float up, yeah.
Oh, you man.
Instead of set, you can know so them set.
Oh, yeah, you keep moving them around. So you don't have to flip them around, you just make them.
No, not for now.
Okay.
Soak up first.
Because I notice you use a lot of oil to fry them.
Yeah. So it was it soak right too.
You just see some people stay tuned and what are going to about fighting the festival. Yeah, man, you flip them. Let me see you flip them. All right, just like that. Flip them around, my people. Tell everybody what your name of your store again.
Romeo's Bar and Lounge. Hellshire Beach, Romeo's Bar and Lounge.
So I'm going to my people. Romeo's.
Yeah, Romeo's.
Romeo's Bar and Lounge. So check them out, my people. They are not far into the when you come from when you come in at the Hellshire Beach, my people, and as you drive in, they're on the right side. So look out for the name.
You can look out for you can follow the business page on TikTok. You can follow the business page on TikTok as well. Romeo's Bar and Lounge, same way on TikTok.
All right, my people. So we're gonna load them up. So my people, here we go. Show you the beautification of this place while the festival is frying. Yeah, man. And when our tour guide, this is one of the chefs here. So my people, let me take a quick look upstairs. You can't miss upstairs. I showed you up here already, and I'm gonna show you again because I'm not tired of showing you this spot here. and the wind hit you in the face as you get there. And birds, they know that's it's not right. Those birds, the kingfish is somewhere there. So they are pumping around the fish. But it's not that is the publish. Someone it will be asking of you to like, share, and subscribe. Don't fight it. Subscribe to the channel. Right, this. They go inside. That me my people want to see a principal place, you know? And ever bless walking with his shoes on. I want to get a lasso. Channel. I saw the with the thing principal not take the shoes off of the door. So my people, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you the outside. So I'm gonna show you my people. So you're coming from that end. I just break the corner there. Right here. The beauty is right here. So check them out, my people, and watch what them have to offer. You see it? Beauty. They have a coconut tree falling down, my people. Yeah, man. Nice place. Really nice place. Really love it here.
All right, guys. Thank you. There you have it. I go by Who is Herbie, and this is you all watching Ever Blessed Travels. All right. So please do like, comment, and subscribe, and support Ever Blessed. I know you like watching them because that's when you subscribe. Okay. So please keep watching. He'll keep growing and he'll keep showing you the beautiful side of Jamaica and everywhere that he goes. All right. And keep it going for him. And again, thank you for watching. This was Hellshire Beach here in Jamaica. There's nothing like it. So thank you for watching. We'll see you the next time. All right.